Hi everyone, Nate Coppock here from Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. Stock number 28111AT. Now this Sport does have a Phantom Rocky Ridge kit on it. It's going to include your LED lights here in the front. It just covers that pop off. Your hammerhead heavy duty bumper here. Also, there's an 8,500 pound winch behind it. That is a nylon winch. Black in color. So we have 18-inch wheels with a 35-inch Mickey Thompson tire. Those seem to be brand new. Depth of those. 3.5-inch lift. Again, this is a Phantom edition. Heavy duty running boards. These Jeeps have a 3-piece removable Freedom top. So if you just wanted to take off these front 2 pieces here, you could. It's always an option. Black cloth seating. So we got a standard AM/FM radio that's satellite ready. Also has a CD player in there. Climate control area. Got the hill descent assist on there. Traction control. This Jeep Sport is Unlimited is 4-wheel drive. And you got a little button here. It's going to control your fog lights in the front. Now on the steering wheel, it is leather wrapped. We do have the cruise control features here, along with features that you can control your phone with over here, which is very convenient when driving. On the back here, you can see this button. That's control radio stations, and on the other side would be in the same location would be for your volume. It does have power windows and locks. Take a look in the back here. I have the seats folded down so you can see that they fold flat in case, you know, in the rear area here there's not enough room. So you always have more options. Fold that up there. Nice rubber floor mats, Rugged Ridge brand. Those are in the front and rear. Sorry, just in the rear. Speakers up here in this cross member, making driving down the road with the top off. Still got your music. Got a nice heavy duty bumper here in the rear. And a wheel that matches the others. Spare tire seems to be in good shape too. And then here in the back, you have the Rugged Ridge cargo mat. Pretty standard. And again, those back seats do fold down, giving you plenty of room if you're going to go camping or whatever you want to do. Here we have this swing arm. Now what I like about this swing arm is it takes all the weight of this big old tire off of these hinges because it's mounted to this heavy duty bumper. So basically you're not going to wear out your hinges back here having an aftermarket huge tire. Little taillight covers. Bust them out while trail riding. All in all, it's a pretty clean vehicle. Again, this is a 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport, stock number 28111AT. My name is Nate Coppock. Stop in and see me or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Make sure you visit our website at sherrychrysler.com.